Hello, welcome back guys to Sporaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to enable Do Not Disturb in camscanner on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well, first thing first guys, of course, just go ahead to this camscanner applications, and after, if you want to enable it for the Do Not Disturb options, just go ahead to this Me option at the bottom. We'll find out here the option which is settings. I'm gonna scroll it down a little. We'll find out here the more settings, tap on it. After, in this page, just go ahead to this notification settings, just tap on it. We'll find out the Do Not Disturb options here guys. If you want to enable it, you just have to tap on the toggle beside it, and as you can read here the information at the bottom, which is the phone will not serve notifications for the camscanner here guys from 11 p.m. until 7 a.m. So yeah, I think it's enough guys from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.